Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. Now this isn't just any old unboxing, this is actually also announcing a new release that Silverpunk has just started doing. Now those of you that are on Stacker Social, link in today's video description. If you're already on Stacker Social, you would have already seen and heard about this new series that Silverpunk has recently released. But if you're not on Stacker Social, and you're living under a rock, today you're going to learn about a very, very new and special release that Silverpunk has just started doing. So let's get straight into it. Now I am just going to do my usual fashion of brutalness, cutting straight through the box. We're going to try and make a little trapdoor. Silverpunk always packages his boxes extremely well. And I don't think there's any better way than just making a little trapdoor. There we go, for us to get in, no messing around. Straight in there, look at that. Look how nicely wrapped and protected everything is in here. Loads of these packing peanuts. And we've got the main piece wrapped in a nice big clump of bubble wrap. I'm just going to check in the box to make sure there's nothing else in here. Yes, there is. This is really cool. This is really cool. Now, this is actually announcing two things, actually. So this is the first one. Now, these are limited edition poker chips that I actually sent over to Silverpunk to include with every purchase that anyone makes from Silverpunk. Just something a little bit special. I believe there was only 55 of these made. And I did send them all over to Silverpunk. So I haven't got any myself in my collection. And you only get hold of one of these special limited edition poker chip sets if you buy something from Silverpunk. So first of all, let's show you this. These are really cool. I made these a while ago now, so it'd be nice to actually get one of these back in the collection. So you can see it says, "Need help with tough decisions? I've got you." Number 36 out of 55. And this is the limited edition poker chip. And it's just a cool way to make any decisions. If you're thinking about buying some silver, but you're not too sure if you should put food on the table for your family first, pick out this very responsible way of deciding whether to buy silver or food for your family. And literally just give it a little, yes, you should buy silver over food for your family. Not financial advice, but the poker chip has spoken. So yeah, really cool collectible poker chip, and like I said, only available if you buy something directly from Silverpunk himself. So it's nice to actually get one of these in my own collection as well. Just a little bit of fun, something a little bit different, something to help with those difficult adult life decisions that we have to make. Pop that over the back there. But let's get into the star of the show. Now this is something, like I said, that has been announced already on Stacker Social, but for those of you that are not in Stacker Social, this is going to be the first time you are hearing and seeing this new release. Let's have a look. Now this is kind of a freeway, wow, that has come out so cool. So this is kind of a freeway collaboration. So I actually came up with these designs with the help of AI. Silverpunk has turn them into 3D prints and turn them into silver bars, and Nerd UK has been making these very cool storage boxes, these personalized storage boxes to hold them in. So it's a bit of a freeway community collaboration with myself, Nerd UK and Silverpunk, but he's actually doing a bar for every single person in Stacker Social, so it will take us a while to get through them. For now, we've done, I think we've done about 25 designs so far, but I think only 4 or 5 of them have actually been poured. And I will leave a link to Silverpunk's website. He's got a separate page on his website for all of these releases. So you can see which ones have been poured so far. But the plan is to slowly work our way through every single member within Stacker Social. So it's going to take us a while because we're just about to hit 3,000 members within Stacker Social. But it would be so cool to have one of these available for every single person within Stacker Social. So if you're interested and you want to kind of jump the queue to get yourself on a silver punk pour, do message me privately within Stacker Social, just letting me know that you would like to be added to the list, because there's going to be some people that aren't interested in picking up themselves on a bar, and that's absolutely fine. But I know there will definitely be quite a lot of people that do like the idea of grabbing one of these. So yeah, let me know privately in the DMs on Stacker Social, and I will get to work making your individual design. But let's have a little look at mine. You can see I've got the paper bag with a question mark over my head. Got my tattoos sitting on my safe of silver in a whiskey lounge as well, which is pretty cool. Lots of whiskey in the back. And let's have a look. I know I've been delaying opening this box, but let's have a look at how it looks in silver. Wow, extremely nicely packaged as well. Let me just get away all the extra packaging. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take away the packaging now, and I'm going to pop it back in its place so that you can see it for the first time in all its glory. And look at that. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. That has come out so good. The relief on this is incredible as well. Really, really high relief. Now with Silver Punk's pieces, they look incredible on photos, but nothing beats actually seeing it in the hand. They always look even 10 times better than the photos when you've actually got a piece in your hand, because you can feel the relief, you can see the relief. As with all poured pieces, it's not like a proof piece or something you've got to be careful with gloves. You can hold it, you can play around with it, you can drop it if you want to. I'm not going to drop this piece, but you know what I mean. It's more versatile than your standard piece of silver. They're made to enjoy, they're made to play around with, they're made to appreciate, have on display. But that is absolutely stunning. That has come out so cool. And how cool is that to have myself on a piece of silver? And really cool to be part of the collection. Now do let me know in the comment section if you've been following this collection along already and you are in Stacker Social. Let me know which is your favourite so far. I have to say my favourite so far is BBA. I think his one has come out really, really cool. It's got him bouncing on his bike whilst trying to record a video. And it's also got ET in there to represent back in the day, for those of you that used to watch BBA, when he used to have ET in a basket on the front of his bike. But yeah, really cool. That has come out amazing. As with all Silver Punk stuff, it's hallmark down the bottom there, so you know it's 3/9 fine silver. Really nice bit of weight. I can't remember what this weighed. Let's have a little look at the COA. The legend known only as 365 days of silver. 1.51 ounces, so 1.5 ounces of 3/9 fine silver. Serial number, Stackers Social, 2025, mintage is open. So you can actually pick one of these up if you want to start doing a little mini collection from the members of Stackers Social, the Stackers Social character bar collection. These aren't one of ones. Silver Punk's, normally his stuff is one of one. But this, he has decided to do it an open mintage, because there will be some people out there that would like to grab different designs. I'm definitely planning to pick up the BBA design in the future. But yeah, really cool, really clever concept from Silver Punk to actually list them all on his site in a row. It's a really nice community piece of silver. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Dead chuffed with how this has come out. The relief is incredible. Look at that, look how much it's raised. So good to think that this has been from a AI generated image into a 3D print, pressed into sand, sand casted, hand finished, hand toned, sent off to be hallmarked. And then in the meantime, we have Nerd quietly working away in the background to produce these incredible boxes that they go in as well. So yeah, really, really cool piece. Please head over to the link in today's video description and check out Silver Punk's other pieces that he's done. Really, really cool. Something I'm going to cherish. Something I'm going to actually keep out of the box. It's too good to put away into deep storage. I'm actually going to work out somewhere in my backdrops to actually have this on display. I might be able to have it for now standing up there against the copper bar. But yeah, like I said, too good to put away into storage. Has to be a centerpiece in my backdrops. I will keep all this nicely protected in here though. But yeah, Silver Punk smashed it out the park again. Massive thank you, Silver Punk. And like I said, please do let me know in my DMs on Stacker Social if you'd like to be added to the list of people that are getting themselves turned into 3/9 fine silver. Really, really cool piece. But that is today's video done. Thanks as always for the support. Thanks for all the likes, shares, hypes and all the rest of it. It doesn't go unnoticed and it really helps my channel continue to grow. So as always, thanks so much for watching and I hope you have a very nice day.